Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue coming to you today from my backyard. I'm so excited for this video just because I cannot wait to eat what I'm cooking. Today we're going to do a reverse sear tomahawk ribeye, and we're going to do it what I consider the perfect way. It's going to include 2 grills. But first, we got to start the fire. Okay, let's go ahead and season up this tomahawk. I got this one here from Wild Fork. In one of my last videos, a lot of people suggested I use them. So here we are. They opened one just up the road from me. Now, this is a 2.79 pounds. So this is gonna feed me and my family. This thing's massive. While we're gonna season this up, I have the Rectech Bullseye set at 200 degrees, the low setting. I also have my Weber kettle. We're going to use 1 charcoal chimney full of charcoal. More on that in just a minute. But to season this up, we're not using any kind of binders. All right, this meat church garlic and herb is awesome. Like I said, no binder, no trimming. I'm all about simplicity. All right, enough of that. Next up, I have a new rub. It's from Zavala's Barbecue. I actually have a video of a barbecue crawl I did there. They recently released their own rub. It can be found at Walmarts throughout Texas. This is a thick, coarse pepper and salt. Looking forward to this. This will be a nice peppered bark on this tomahawk. Good bite to it. Sorry, my camera turned off. My battery's going dead on this thing. I need to buy a new battery. But as I was saying, this is a thick, coarse pepper. Not gonna put too much on there, but it's still be a nice peppered bark. Let's go get this on the Rectech. All right, the Bullseye's up to temp, hanging around 200 degrees. It's so stinking hot here in Texas right now. It doesn't take much for this thing. We're going to stick in the thermometer here. We're gonna go about halfway into the steak. The goal is to cook this to about 110 internal temperature. All right, let's let the Bullseye do its thing. All right, well that steak is coming to temp. We're going to prepare the Weber kettle. We're gonna be using this for the sear portion. What we're gonna do is we're gonna dump full chimney dead center in the kettle. Then we're going to come back the whole log of your favorite cooking wood. We're going to let that burn down some. Now you may be thinking to yourself, why are you using a second grill to sear this steak? Does the Rectech Bullseye not sear? It absolutely does. I actually have a video where I seared a tomahawk on the sear kit on the Bullseye, but something about that sweet smoke that a pellet grill imparts on a ribeye steak and finished off on a live fire, it can't be beat. If you never tried it, I definitely encourage you to do so. Y'all like my Michael Jackson glove? All right, so the Rectech Bullseye is saying the internal temperature of the steak is 101. I tested it with my instant read thermometer and it says 115. So we're gonna go ahead and remove it. What I'm gonna do is let it set here for about 5 minutes, set up the charcoal grill for grilling, and sear this thing off. All right, y'all, it's my favorite part. It's time to sear. Put this directly over that wood fire. Let it sear there for about a minute. All right, let's flip this. Look at that sear, y'all. That looks awesome. Another minute. All right, now let's get the edges. Edges need love too. Be sure you have a heat protective glove. All right, let's let this rest. Look at this beauty. While it's resting, I'm gonna pour some butter, a little bit of that meat church, garlic and herb inside of it. Back in about 5 minutes. All right, let's cut in. I'll cut down the bone here. Right down the middle. This looks good, y'all. Absolutely amazing. Medium rare there. I am happy. All right, I'm ready to dig in here. Let's take a look at this. This is absolutely amazing here. Here's a good piece. Check that out, y'all. Check that out. Flies in Texas, crazy right now. I'm telling you, this is the way to do a steak. I know you can do it on one grill. Maybe it's in my head. This double grill thing really does it for me. I would love for somebody else to try it. Let me know what you think. I can't get enough. This is so good. Man, that was a fantastic meal. There's something about that smoke, man. That smoke a pellet grill gives a steak. I really wish it gave a brisket or a pork butt or even spare ribs, because it's so phenomenal, so it's hard to explain. You'll just have to try it for yourself. I absolutely love it. When you combine it with the sear of the oak fire, it can't be beat. Yes, it's an added step, but if you don't use the pellet grill in the beginning, you don't get that smoke that you would get only from a pellet grill. You know, you could do it with charcoal or wood. It's just not the same. It's something very subtle that pairs well with the steak. I absolutely love using the pellet grill this way. Yes, it's an added step using the Weber kettle, but absolutely worth it. As far as the steak quality, it was a choice steak from Wild Fork. I've had better choice steaks, but this one was available to me, and at $13.98 a pound wasn't that bad of a deal. Yeah, that steak was 2.79 pounds, so it was about a $40 steak. It fed the three of us, plus we had plenty of leftovers for breakfast tacos or a steak salad tomorrow. I have no complaints whatsoever. It was a fantastic meal, and I'd pay that each and every time. All right, I want to thank you for watching to the very end. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you want to see more content like this and you're not already subscribed, please do so. Until the next video, the fire is out.